Hello, friends. Today I am going to talk to you regarding the trend lines and confirmation. See, the topic actually is very simple and it is necessary for a trader to really understand. And I would like to make it still simpler. So, friends, I will just start with what is this actually? This is a paper boat. This is a paper boat means this is very light, number one. Secondly, whether you put it in a shallow water or deep water, river or sea, it will sink within no time. It will get destroyed and sink within no time. And then this boat cannot float against the current. That means it is necessary that whatever time the boat is in the water, it has to swing, it has to swim along with the current. So two things I have said: light. The paper boat is very light. Number two is that it has to swing, it has to go along with the current. Friends, the same thing actually is with the trend lines. When the trader is trading, then it is necessary that he has little understanding of trend lines, and number two is trade along trend. Actually, there can be no change in this setup, number one. Then, friends, we will see how to draw the trend line. How to draw trends line. So first of all, friends, let us see the trends basically are of three types. Okay, first is this is known as uptrend. This is that is side trend, sideways, and then you have is downtrend. Are we together on this? Now this is sideways and this is downtrend. Okay, now we see how to draw the trend lines. Friends, it is very simple. Say for example the trend of the share is like this. So what you have to find out is, you have to find out the turning points, previous two turning points. So this is the price at present. So first turning point is this, second turning point is this, and third turning point is this. So join these 2 points. This is the trend, and if you join the third one also, this is confirming the trend. So join point 1 and 2 plus point 3 for confirmation. Are we all right? Then after this, what happens is, after some times, what happens is the trend is sideways. So again join point 1, point 2, point 3, join them together, or you can join them even more. More points you join, more stronger is the trend. So this is sideways. Okay, after this what happens is, market goes down. This is, here is the price right now. So this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3. If you join point 1 and 2, it will give you the trend. and if you join the third point also, it will confirm the trend. So point 3, or I will say turning point 3, confirms trend. So their minimum have to be 2, maximum have to be 3. Are we together on this? Now you see what is the difference here and what is the difference here. When actually the prices are going up, then we are joining the lower turning points. Fine, higher highs we join. And when the price is coming down, then we join the lower highs, higher highs that we have seen in the candlestick charts. So this is how you have to draw the trend lines, and trend lines are 100%, there can be no mistake about it. Okay, now friends, let us see, this is as far as the theory part of it was concerned, which is available in the textbooks also, and I have not said anything about this. Now, how to trade a trend? Friends, you see, every day, supposing how to trade a trend. Now, supposing if the price is going up like this, you cannot trade the trend. You have to take consider MACD here also, RSI also is here, and it can be a swing trade. But when it is intraday, how to trade intraday? Intraday trend, very easy. Candlestick, 30 minutes, moving averages 3 and 8 on PC, personal computer, or 5 and 10 on mobile. See, I think in my previous video 212 also I have spoken about it. You see, there is no change in it. Now, the most important is that to know a trend, minimum 30-minute candle is required if you want to trade with the trend lines. Minimum 30-minute candle is required, because 5-minute candle and 10-minute candle, they virtually have no standing, they can change any time. 30-minute candle is a very strong candle. You can take a chance. Number 3, trade along the trend. This means that you will not take any contra calls. So are we all together here? On PC 3 and 8, and on mobile it is 5 and 10. If 3 and 8 comes in your mobile, it is okay. And finally, the candlestick necessarily has to be 30. There is no two opinion about it. Now, friends, here actually I would like to say one thing more, and regarding this intraday trade. In intraday trade, actually see, for example, this is, say for example, the price which is going on. Okay, I will put the candlestick here. But even if it is half an hour time frame of this price movement, it does not make a difference. You see, friends, what will happen here is that the moving averages are also showing the trend. Like trend lines, moving averages also show the trend, which we have seen in our previous video 212. And you can see, otherwise what you can do, if you do not want to consider it like this, what you can do is to find out the trend, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, you just draw an imaginary line and you know the trend. Very simple. So friends, today this is what I want to say about the trend line is, have very little understanding which is required of trading with trend lines. Actual trading with trend lines is never done. It is only an indicating the price movement. So the point is that we trade along with the trend. This I have already told you. Now friends, let us go and see it also on the charting.com. Fine. So thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe my button, like and subscribe, and at the same time is share the video. Thank you very much. Yes, welcome back, friends. So we will see here on the charting.com. This is charting.com. Fine. And you can see here charting.com. Here I have put the chart of Reliance 1 year chart. And then, friends, to find the trend, it is the best that instead of going it for candlestick chart, you just have the line chart, which I have put here. So you can see here, this is actually the sideways the trend is going on. As it is going on here, it is going on down also. Fine. And after that there is a downtrend. You can see clear cut downtrend. You can see here I have combined the cross to cross. I have combined, otherwise you could have also crossed, say like this here, and say it is the downtrend. Then you can see the downtrend. Here it is uptrend, you see, from cross to cross. Just to know, the trend, because we are not trading the trend. We are trading alongside the trend. So you can see here I have one cross, another cross, it is showing uptrend. This is again side trend. This is, you can see I have put here the downtrend. You can see here 1.2.3 point. This is actually, we call it averaging out. Fine. So this is the downtrend. You can, as it is, you can see here, but third point was not coming here, so I just averaged it out like this here. And then again, you can see here I have joined, cross to cross. It is going to form a cross. So, and also, simultaneously this lower higher highs I have, lower highs I have joined to make the trend here like this. So actually, friends, this is very simple, that how to trade a trend. And what I will suggest is that you yourself do a little bit of exercise of finding out the trend, either from cross to cross, or you join the turning points. You will always get the trend. Fine. So friends, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my videos, and also join me on Facebook. Thank you very much and have a nice day.